Welcome. This video I'll show you how to import tasks in Zoho Projects. All right, so first up, go ahead and go to the top left, click on Projects, and select from one of your projects where you wanted to import the tasks. Now, let's say, for example, I wanted to import it to the duplicate right here. I'm just going to click on the Access Project button. Okay, click on it and make sure that you're under the Task tab. Now, once you're in here, just click on three dots at the top right. And here we have the Import Task button. Click on it. Now go ahead and select the correct file type. We have here MPP, MPX, XLS, XLSX, or JSON, or it could be CSV. Just going to select this one and just click on this link. There you go. And here I have my sample tasks. I'm going to click on it and hit on Open. Just go ahead and click on Import. And the next step, all you need to do is just map the fields. Okay. Now once done, if you want to, you can go ahead and assign the tasks from here. Now another option is just by going to your settings right here at the top right. Now go ahead over to Data Administration and just click on Imports. Okay, right here we have MPP and other file import. Okay, just click on Start Import. Same goes here. Select the file type. Select the specific file. Hit on Open. Select the project name. Let's say, for example, I'm going to go ahead and select Duplicate and just click on Import. Okay, I'm not going to be able to do it because I'm just using the free version of Zoho Projects. Okay, but you're basically going to see this one. Okay, so just map it. If it's task name, make sure that the column selected is in the specific file is task name as well. Okay, now once done, you can go ahead and add in the status as well and the users. Okay, or you can go ahead and leave the task unassigned if you want to start fresh and hit on Continue. And once that's done, you're good to go. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.